Net that bit, net that bit. Double up. Double up. Oh yeah, this a nice one too. This a nice one. This a nice one. Bag in there. Yes sir. Shit, the bag was in there. You need the net?
Yeah. Shit, scoop that through that bit in there. Double.
Yes sir.
Double, you know what I mean?
Shit. I need the let it go. Stop it.
Oh shit.
That be right around my ear.
I be digging the last one. The last one I thought.
Watch that. Why the finna be fishy as a motherfucker?
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, that bit fucked me up then, boy. It be like the took old unk bite down. I wasn't expecting that bit. I wasn't expecting that bit to have no side to it.
Yeah, come on.
I just need 2 more. Yeah, we fucking on him off.
New bitch better not let us live it out of 2 places, boy. I ain't gonna lie though. Both of us get that little bit quick. We gonna ride by and fuck them bitches.
Oh shit. Dude, that bit too hard.